Hey guys, Hidde here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create an awesome product video using vertical motion. We're going to use a fictional product, an energy drink, but of course you can recreate this completely with your own specific product. So let's jump straight in. In order to create a project, head over to the top right corner and press New Project. Here you can introduce your project name, in our case energy drink advertisement. And now it's the most important part, putting in the description. The description is where the agent is going to take its context from when building your project in the next step. I already prepped something, let me just copy and paste it into here. You don't have to be too precise because you can later on edit the whole plan anyways. Afterwards, you choose your video quality. I highly recommend starting with standard video quality when you're experimenting or trying out new projects. And once you've really built something you really like, you can switch up to Pro and rebuild it in the highest quality possible. Lastly, you can choose the aspect ratio. Do you want a classic horizontal aspect ratio, or do you want a more social media friendly vertical aspect ratio, or just a square one? Choose whatever you like here. For now, we're going to use the landscape one. Then, if you're happy with everything, press Create a Project. What the agent is going to do right now, it's going to take all of the context you just gave him and it's going to build a plan for you. As you can see on the left-hand side, it gives 3 starting ideas based on your brief. So the reveal and explode, the dynamic drop, or the sunrise energy. So I'm going to say here, I like option 1, do it in 3 scenes. And what it's going to do now, it's going to take that piece of information and it's going to start building your workflow for you. You don't have to do the workflow building yourself. It's super simple. It's super convenient. It does it for you. As you can see on the right-hand side, it's appearing as we speak. And what's important to note is that the workflow and the videos rely on elements and references. Elements are used to define and give a visual representation of characters, props, products, or any other type of recurring element in a video. And references are locations or environment in which the video will play. As you can see on the right-hand side, it built our workflow for us. If there is something you do not like about the workflow, you can just head over to the bar, you can talk to the agent, and it will completely customize the workflow based on your needs. All right, it just built the workflow. Let's dive deeper into what we see right here. Starting off with the visual style. The visual style is a piece of information that's going to be given to every scene that's going to be generated. And the visual style holds the camera angle, the lighting, the transition modes, etc. So everything that's important to create a consistent video. Next up, we have the element, which we touched upon a little bit before. In our case, it's going to be the Volt energy drink can. It's the main star of the show, and this is going to be connected to all the different scenes. On the right-hand side, we have more the reference. So this is, okay, where is this energy drink can going to be? Where is the advertisement going to be? And in our case, it's the Golden Hour Beach. And in the middle, we have the complete scenes, which takes the visual style, the elements, and the image into account to create a video. If you hover above the scene, you can see which elements or references are connected to that specific scene. So, as you can see right here on the right-hand side, there's a line connecting the image to the scene, but not on the left-hand side, because in this scene, Volt energy drink can will not yet be introduced. Once you're happy with the whole setup and the plan, it's time to generate the assets. If you click on the element 1, a pop-up appears. And as you can see, the agent already preset a prompt based on the context it had on the type of product or person or prop you want to create. In this case, it's a Volt energy drink can. I like the prompt, so let's press generate. While we're waiting for it to generate, please note that you can also upload your own product images in this moment to introduce them to all of your scenes. While we're waiting for that, let's head over to the image for the reference. So this is the Golden Hour Beach, and the Golden Hour Beach is going to be where our advertisement is based. And yes, I like the prompt. Again, it's been preset. Again, you can choose your own backdrops if you want. but right now we're just going to use the AI to generate our image. If we then head over back to the Element 1, you see it generated my energy drink can, and I really like it. I like the colors, I like the font, etc. So right now, what we need to do, which is really important in creating highly consistent advertisements, is generate side profiles and a back profile of the main image. And how we do that is we just press these buttons at the bottom here, and it's going to automatically create side profiles and back profiles for the main image. Also, if you upload your own product image, so that's a really cool feature. Well, while that is loading, we go over here. Okay, really nice golden hour beach as we wanted. So right now, all the assets have been generated, and right now we can start generate the video. Let's click on the first scene. We check the prompt. Okay, I really like this prompt. I think it's going to really capture the essence of my brand really well. So let's start to generate this video. Once you click generate, a pop-up will appear, and you have the option to create the video with or without audio. Right now, I'm going to do without audio because I'm going to add audio afterwards during the editing process myself. Let's press generate. All right, I'll leave you guys right now, and I'll generate all of the videos and be back in a bit to show you guys around. All right, guys, welcome back. As you can see, all of the videos have been generated. And what I like to do is go through all of the videos and check if they are done correctly and if I'm happy. So for instance, video 2, let's open it up. You see our product appearing in the golden beach. The can is really consistent. It's really cool effect. I really like it. Okay, let's keep this video. Imagine if I would not like this video, I can just head over to a scene, I can adjust my prompt right here, and I can regenerate the video based on the changes you made. Once you've checked all of the videos and you're really happy with every scene, then your work here is done, and you can edit the project in the studio by pressing this button. This will automatically open up your project within the studio, and this is where you can start making all of your edits, adding audio, etc. That is for the next tutorial video, where I will cover everything surrounding the studio and how to edit your videos. For now, thank you for listening, and see you guys soon.